So warm welcome to all of you once again. As I said, there are three most important components. Number one, peace of mind. What do you mean by peace of mind? Once you have decided to take admission here, you need not worry about how are the faculties, how is going to be the infrastructure, whether you are going to be taught the right syllabus in the right fashion, the knowledge that you are going to gain, is it going to be comprehensive enough, what kind of a job will you get, what kind of a salary will be there, will I be able to start my own business, will I be able to make a business plan, will I be able to get some funding, maybe in terms of bank loan, and various other questions. I am sure a lot of questions are going on in your mind right at this moment wherein your career is concerned, right friends? But I can assure you, I can promise you, you can sit back, relax with a lot of peace of mind. We are all going to take care of all these concerns, all these worries and all these anxieties. You need not worry at all. We have developed a training program which is so comprehensive and it has been evolved over almost past 15 years that it is going to actually help you to relax. All the research, the development and the experimentation is almost done. It has been experimented and we have taught hundreds of thousands of designers and we have helped them to in turn bring out their creativity and achieve peace of mind. So you guys are lucky, you guys are fortunate, and I would really like to congratulate all of you for taking the admission, and now you can afford to sit with peace of mind. That's the first important point. Second, financial freedom. Who doesn't want to be financially secured, financially independent? In terms of if you want to buy an iPhone 5, money should not be the reason for not to be able to buy it. I mean, you may not buy it because you don't want to invest your money into something like an iPhone. But if you really want to, you should be able to. You should not be dependent on your parents' money for that matter. So it is like you have a stable source of income which is higher than your expense, and that is what I call it as financial freedom. And believe me friends, it is 80% psychology, 20% mechanics. What do I mean by 80% psychology and 20% mechanics? Even if you don't have the money at the moment, which is your own, but you have the brains, you have ideas, you can still make money. Vice versa, if you have a lot of money but you don't have any idea, you don't know what to do with that money, I am sure that money will not stay for long because money will keep flowing. So the idea is financial freedom is 80% psychology, 20% mechanics. You don't have the money, you can make people invest in your idea and you can bring them returns. I'll get into much more detail in one of my future training because we have a dedicated 1.5 90 minutes of training session on financial freedom. But for the moment you can understand that this program is not just going to help you to become a designer, it will help you to achieve number one, peace of mind, number two, financial freedom, and the last, career for life. I believe each one of us here for this major point, right? We want to have a career. Now there are two things to a career. One, you can have your job. You can have a job with a multinational company or a branded design house and you can work there with various profiles. Second, you can start your own business. May I ask, how many of you are here for business? Almost 30-35%, and the others are looking out for a career as a job to begin with at least. Maybe in future, who knows? You may also get into business and become your own boss. But then the idea is, career for life is something very important, and we at INFD Deccan really believe that this is the most important part for which you have invested your time and your money. Let me tell you friends that with this kind of a training program, money probably can be given back, but the most important ingredient which cannot be given back is your time. And I really promise you as a director of this institute that you will not be regretting, you will be really glad, you will be really happy, and you will be proud that you have taken this decision to join this institute, as it will really help you to achieve all the three components: peace of mind, financial freedom, and career for life. As I said earlier, we have developed a comprehensive training program. Not only that, we have a lifetime placement assistance cell, since major of you are looking out for jobs. What is this LPA all about? Say for example, what's your good name? Dipti. Now Dipti, you have a fashion or interiors? Now Dipti has joined a multinational company called Brinktons, which is a multinational company with close of turnover in carpet manufacturing, as a designer, head designer. Now she joined the company with a lot of hopes, a lot of expectations, a lot of positive vibes. Now after 6 months she realizes there's nothing new to learn. There's no challenging atmosphere. Whatever she had to gather knowledge she has already learned. Now the job is more of a monotonous and a boring thing. Now without challenge, without variation, without something to push you out of the comfort zone, she is not very comfortable. Salary package is decent, 25,000 per month as a beginner, which I believe is okay. to begin with, right friends? So she's getting a handsome package of 3 lakh per annum, but she's not happy wherein the job is concerned, or maybe she doesn't like the boss for that matter. Let's forget everything else. She is not okay with the boss. Now what happens to Dipti? Yes, she can come back to us. It's a lifetime placement assistance cell which is working 24/7 for you. It's a dedicated cell with us. You have to come back to us, give us your updated resume, tell us a genuine reason why you have opted to choose out of the current job, and we will source you another company. Right, Dipti? And the other friends who are looking out for job. For people who are looking out for business, there would be a lot of questions going on in your mind as to which is the ideal location you should start your boutique or your design house, and what should be the name of your boutique, what is the legal formalities, whether you should start with a proprietor company or a partnership company or a private limited company. वाइस वर्सा यू में ऑल्सो थिंक कि अगर पैसा नहीं है, आज पैसा लाना है, सर ने तो बोला था 80% साइकोलॉजी, पैसा कैसे लाएंगे, बैंक फंडिंग मिलेगा तो प्रोसीजर क्या है, बिजनेस प्लान कैसे बनाना है, इन्वेस्टर्स लाना है तो उनको कैसे हम लोगों को अपना आइडिया सेल करना है, एलिवेटर स्पीच क्या होता है, प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे देना है, या चलो फर्म चालू कर लिया, क्लाइंट मिल गया, अभी उसको प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे दूँ, या उसको कन्विंस कैसे करूँ, या उसको फॉलोअप कैसे करूँ, या उसका टेंडर कैसे बनाऊँ, या उसको खुश कैसे रखूँ. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. नाउ द बेस्ट थिंग इज वी ऑल्सो हेल्प यू विद दैट. एंड हाउ? Create, promote, sell, learn how to start your own fashion business and be successful, learn how to start your own interior business and be successful. Comprehensive training program which has been developed exclusively for people who want to get into business. Yes, that's the good news, and this program is completely e-learning, video based. Me along with my team members have done an extensive research. We have taken interviews of hundreds of successful boutique owners, design house owners and interior designers and architects who are successful. After interacting with them and understanding what is the success principle for them, what decision has made them reach this pinnacle of success and this place, we have developed this training program. And it is one of the best training program which I have ever made, and we are really proud to say that. You will have a glimpse of it starting today. I am going to show you a small introductory video. Post this, we are going to launch the course today officially in your batch. We are going to create user ID password for all of you, and that's absolutely free of cost. The retail price is 15,000 plus service tax, but you being a INFD student, there's no price attached, there's no tag. Now there's no free lunch, right friends? Whatever is there has a price tag. Of course, you don't need to pay money for that. You have already paid money in INFD program, and you are a student of INFD. Being a student of INFD, your career is our responsibility and our guarantee. So that is a program given free to you, but I do expect feedback from you in terms of how is it going. I do expect concerns from you, suggestions from you as to how to improve it. Like one of my earlier students, when we launched this course, she gave me a feedback, is everything is good, I have understood how to launch my business and stuff like that, but when it comes to Manish market, can I know the market out there? Can I know from which place I have to buy which garment at which price? And that was a really intelligent question. Based on that question, we appointed a research team and we developed a network contact list. So this kind of feedback really motivates us and pushes us out of our comfort zone to further enhance the module. So are you ready, and are you in to help me with your feedbacks and comments? Of course, there would be times when you're happy about the video and the knowledge therein. You can also write, good sir, I'm really happy. There might be a time you think the video has gone a little slow or it has been dragged. You may always write, sir, request you to kindly speed up. We are in a hurry to become a designer and earn money. Perfect. But keep in touch. The whole idea is there are hundreds of students studying with us. I would love to be in touch with you, each one of you individually. But due to shortage of time, due to shortage of resources, it may not be possible for me to approach you one-on-one. Unless until you communicate to me that there's something you want to add on to the module, I will not be able to understand what is going on in your mind. So I would really appreciate if you can be open. As I said earlier, पैसा वापस दे सकते हैं आपको, टाइम वापस नहीं दे पाएंगे. So value your time. You can drop in an email. I'm going to share my email ID at the end of the presentation. You can drop in your request through Facebook. There are a lot of ways we'll be connected. I'm sitting here almost full day. You can come to me. There's no hierarchy. It's an open door policy for all my students. You can knock in my cabin and we can share the details. The only idea is follow your guts. Speak up whenever you want to. There are faculties who are going to support you. There's going to be an academic head, a very capable, able academic head, Sheetal ma'am, who is going to support you for all your requests, for all your support. The only idea is please communicate. जब तक आप communicate नहीं करोगे, we will not be able to understand that there's something additional that you are requiring, or some additional module that you want, or maybe a guest lecture you want, or maybe you're looking out for something like tie-and-dye workshop, whatever it is. Based on a lot of students' feedback earlier, we have already included a lot of modules, videos and stuff like that. And it is very comprehensive and very much up to date. But there might be something else. As I said earlier, the student example, Manish Market contact list was missing. So whatever is there, be supportive, be communicative, drop in a comment, drop in a compliment. The whole world is connected thanks to social network and the Google and the internet thing. We can always be in touch. Right, friends? So there's a commitment from you. Wonderful. So these are the three things. Peace of mind, you can rest. Leave everything to us, all your worries, we'll take care of it. Just be communicative. Financial freedom, I promise you, each one of you sitting here, if you follow the strategies, tips and guidelines given in the module, videos as well as physical and retail classes, each one of you will be standing on your own legs. Financially, you will be able to buy your own things without being dependent, and you will have enough money so that you can be happy. See, the whole idea is unless you are happy, you cannot make others happy, right? Unless you have money with you, you cannot help others, even if you want to. So maybe some of you are like, you believe in giving and sharing. You don't want money for yourself, but still earn money so that you can help others, right? And last but not the least, the main reason for us joining here is Career for Life, which is really important, and we support it by giving a lifetime placement assistance cell. Second add-on benefit of Career for Life is we also have a knowledge warranty feature. Mean for some reason आपको लगा कि 1 साल हो गया मैंने कोर्स खत्म कर लिया, I am now well settled with my business, with my job, but somehow मुझे एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डिजाइन जो फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल था, फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट था, वो ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने भूल गई हूँ. हाउ डज अ कलर साइकोलॉजी रियली इम्पैक्ट द मूड ऑफ अ पर्सन, मुझे वो रिपीट करना है. So what happens? You can come back, meet us, drop an application. We'll give you one of the forthcoming batches to repeat that particular portion or the whole syllabus again for free. Once a student, always a student. You don't need to pay money extra every now and then. But you need to invest your second precious resource, that is your time. So if you are willing to invest your time, we are more than willing to have you on board again n number of times. There is no catch. But then you have to invest your time, so be attentive right now as well. Don't think I'll cover it in the next batch. Time will not come back. Money can be given back. I am repeating it again. Right, friends? So Career for Life is another beautiful thing. Now, yesterday me and Sheetal were discussing about ethics in business and ethics in life. And I would like to share the same thing in the form of a story with you. Ready? Okay. There are these two friends, Jack and John. Now, they have just had their vacation after the detailed study, and they wanted to go out on a long drive excursion, and they decided to go out for 9 days. It was the 7th day, late evening, 8:39 types, and they were both thirsty, hungry. They had not eaten for the whole day. They were just too busy on their bike. They switched off their mobile phones, absolutely no GPS, nothing to get connected with the whole world, and they started off. It was around 8:39, and when they started to feel hungry and thirsty, they thought, let's take a refuge somewhere else, so that we don't need to travel in the night hours. Tomorrow morning we'll get up and travel again. It was the outskirts of a village. They have already traveled very far, as I said, and they could see a bungalow, an old bungalow, and they thought instead of going back and disturbing the villagers, why not take refuge here for one night? Tomorrow morning we'll leave. So they went to the bungalow. They ring the doorbell. A beautiful lady opened the door, and Jack and John profusely started requesting, ma'am, we are thirsty, we are hungry. Can we please have something to drink, something to eat, if you can allow us? And if you can also allow us to stay back and sleep for one night, it would be really great. The lady thinks for a moment and says, I'm perfectly alright to give you something to eat, something to drink, but then I'm sorry, I've just lost my husband. I will not be able to allow you to sleep inside my house, otherwise the villagers might badmouth. But it's okay, I can give you something to eat. Jack and John thinks for a moment and says, ma'am, that's perfect, so kind of you. Only thing, we saw your outhouse. पहले के ज़माने में, you know, this bungalow used to have a servant quarters. So they said, ma'am, we saw an outhouse just outside your bungalow. So if you can allow us to sleep there for one night, we promise you tomorrow early morning when the sun wakes up and the first ray come, we'll leave. We won't even disturb you. The lady says, that's perfect, that's okay. And as committed, she gives them something to eat, something to drink. They fill their stomach. They go and sleep there. Next morning, as promised, they left. Now it's almost 10 months now, and Jack receives a letter. Reading the letter, he's shocked, and he immediately rushes to John. John is standing with a couple of his friends, and Jack says to other friend, can you please excuse John, I need to talk to him, really urgent. The friend says, that's okay, and he takes John along. Now Jack says, John, do you remember that night when we were traveling, we were gone on an excursion trip and we were thirsty, we were hungry, and we saw that old bungalow? John says, yes, I do remember. And then Jack continues, do you remember that, when we were hungry, we went there, we met the old lady and the beautiful lady, and we asked her to allow us to stay back. And John says, yes, I do remember. Now Jack again continues, John, by any chance, did you happen to wake up in the night, go to the house again, ring the doorbell, and sleep with the girl? John says, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but yes, I couldn't resist. I did happen to wake up in the night, go back and sleep with the lady. Jack continues, okay, now, did you any chance say your name is Jack and not John falsely? Did you say your name is Jack and not John? John says, again, sorry, I'm really sorry, I didn't have the courage, and I did say my name is Jack and not John. Jack says, you need not worry, friend, that's perfectly alright. The lady just died and she has left everything to me. So the moral of the story is, whatever you do, do it with honesty. That's the first moral of the story and the first lesson today. Moving on. There were a group of brilliant students who have just taken admission in the world's best university for medical course. And it was their first day, just like it is your first day here. Not probably the first day, the third or fourth day, but with me your first day is here. And these students started interacting with each other, started chatting with each other, and they were all brilliant. They have cracked the most competitive entrance exam and they now come here. So they were busy amongst themselves, discussing, sharing ideas, cracking jokes and stuff like that. The faculty enters the door. The faculty observes them for 5 minutes and then announces, friends, may I request you to kindly give me your 5 minutes. I promise I'll just take 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can continue doing whatever you like and whatever you love. The student says, that's perfect, ma'am. We all ears. Okay. And the faculty calls for okay. Now the faculty says there are 2 rules if you want to become a highly paid doctor. The first rule, never feel disgusted with any part of the human body. The student says, okay. And the faculty immediately calls for a dead human body. The human body is lying in front of her. And the faculty says, now, the first rule is never feel disgusted with any part of the human body. She takes a finger, dips it into the bump of the dead body, takes it out, do something like this, and says, come forward and do what I did. All the students feel rejected, depressed, unhappy, annoyed, and they say, ma'am, but faculty insists, do what I said. You want to become the highly paid doctor? First rule, come on. And she forces them to come forward. They were really not happy, disappointed, but then they thought it's the first day and the faculty is also telling them to do this. Maybe there's some reason behind it, let's do it. All the students forcefully, unwillingly comes forward, do something like that and goes back and sit. Few of them also vomited, but that's a different story. I won't get diverted. Now the faculty says the first rule was never feel disgusted with any part of the human body. The second rule is I took out this finger, I inserted this finger, took out this finger and licked the other finger. So the second rule is always pay attention. Yeah, so no matter how intellectual you are, whatever is your background intellectually, whenever you come here for any of the classes, be attentive, not just physically but mentally as well. I've seen a lot of people sitting here but daydreaming. Don't do that. It's going to be your loss. Yeah, so pay attention. The first rule was whatever you do, yes, do it with honesty. The second rule is pay attention. So should we start today's session? Wonderful. What we are going to cover today is a beautiful topic taken up from psychology, the subject psychology. You don't need to do a 3 years or 4 years degree in psychology to understand this, but this 2 hours session of 1.5 90-minute session is so powerful, it is so strong, it has the power to impact your life in a big way. That's a bold commitment, but you will see it for yourself in next 90 minutes. Just pay attention and this session is all yours. So there are 2 laws of transformation. Now, this is not going to be another training program of its kind wherein we are going to teach you how to become a designer, but we are going to teach you how to become a highly paid designer and control your emotions, take decisions positively and have positive energy around you. The whole idea is we don't want to just create designers. There are plenty of institutes, there are hundreds and thousands of students being passing out every year. There is no dearth of designers. We want you to take care, take charge of your life and become empowering and effective designers by achieving peace of mind, financial freedom, career for life. How is it possible? It is only possible when you actually empower this law and you implement the strategies and 2 laws that I'm going to teach you here. It's a very beautiful concept. As I said earlier, you don't need to undergo detailed psychology course. This is a SAR, a summary of whatever psychologists undergo and they learn in the whole 3.5 years of course. Implementing this law, you can actually control your mind, your emotions, you can control the other person's mind, the behavior, you can improve upon your relationship, you can earn extra money, you can take charge of your life. Say for example, एक example देते हैं. Assume that you are in a bad mood. Somebody has said something bad to you, your closest friend has said something which you are not very happy about and they have disappointed you badly and an opportunity comes. Amit sir says there's a wonderful opportunity, there's a job for you waiting with multinational company Tommy Hilfiger. The position is floor manager. Would you be interested? What are the chances you will say yes? Chances are very less. Because that time you are in a negative emotional state. Opportunities keep coming, you should be ready to grab it emotionally as well as physically. But if you are not fit here, probably you will not be able to take a right decision there. You may hold the decision for tomorrow, I'll let you know, or you may say no, I am not ready, let me finish my course first. I have not even completed my 1 year, you are giving me a job. How will I cope up with so much of stress? पढ़ाई करूंगी या जॉब करूंगी या पैसा कमाऊंगी, I don't know. I am from a well settled family, let me have peace of mind first, let me study and complete my course. But then the idea is opportunity is given to somebody else. So if you are not in a proper emotional state, you will not be able to grab the opportunity then and there. This session will help you out to take charge of your emotions as well as control your life, right? The first law is quantity creates quality. What is this law? All of us have heard about, like, when we open a document file in a computer software like MS Word and we save the file, where does it get saved? Hard disk. That's the memory of the computer. Similarly, with us in our life, there's something known as brain, divided into 2 parts, conscious and subconscious. Now whatever happens in our life, it gets saved somewhere in our memory, that is our brain, in the subconscious mind. Getting me? 10% is conscious and 90% is subconscious. Subconscious is somewhere saved. Now let's assume assume this to be your brain memory, though your actual memory and the brain is a lot more complicated thing, but unless for the time being assume it to your memory, brain memory, the subconscious part where every event gets saved, right? And we divide it into particles. I would request you don't write anything. The reason, when you write something, you are running behind me, I am speaking ahead, you are trying to follow my words, and as per scientific research, when you are writing, you are there on the line which you are writing, but when I speak ahead and I go ahead, you will miss out. And once the link is missed, you will be unable to understand what I said. This training session is getting recorded for your information and knowledge, and it will be given to you in your online portal. Need not worry at all. Major of the training session that we have will be given to you as a backup. You can go through it 1000 times. Don't worry. Just focus your attention. As I said the earlier rule, pay attention. That's more important to us. Now assume this to be a brain memory when whatever incidences happen gets saved. For example, ऐसा कभी याद है आपको कि आपने किसी को देखा, ऐसा लगता है कि इसको मैंने देखा है. यू आर गोइंग MG रोड, आप मॉल में हो, संजय काकरे मॉल में, एंड यू सी अ फ्रेंड, सो कॉल्ड फ्रेंड. अब उसको कहीं देखा है, याद नहीं आ रहा. हुआ ऐसा? इमीडिएटली याद आ भी जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं भी आता. नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू हैविंग योर बात और मे बी यू आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, सडनली इट पॉप्स अप. हाँ, उसका नाम अंकिता है, राइट? सबके साथ हुआ है. व्हाट इज दैट? सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कहीं ना कहीं सेव हुआ है. कोई ना कोई एक्सपीरियंस जो भी अपने लाइफ में हुआ, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, अच्छा बुरा, सही गलत, वॉट एवर इट इज, फेवरेबल अनफेवरेबल, इट गेट्स सेव्ड समवेयर एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू डिसाइड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको मूवी जाना है, आप 2 लोग मिलकर डिसाइड करते हो, आप मूवी जाते हो, आपको कंपनी कैसे लगी है सेव हो गया है. आपकी जो भी फ्रेंड के साथ आप गए थे, वॉज ही बोरिंग, वॉज ही डैशिंग, वॉज ही गुड, वॉज ही इंटरेस्टिंग, वॉट एवर इट इज, यू हैव सम नोशन अबाउट हिम और हर. next time when he calls you or she calls you, first thing what you recollect, how was the last moment and the experience with him, and then you take a decision, right? So it is all in your subconscious mind. Do all of us agree that everything is saved here? Intensity varies to the level we can recall fast, recall a little slow, it all varies. There's a different lecture on memory techniques which we will again cover up later, how to have the best memory possible. But for the moment, coming back to the session, what is really important is to understand that everything that happens in our life, favorable, not so favorable, gets saved here. Now I would like you to go back to your pre-nursery and school days, you know, when you were 3 years and 4 years young, maybe nursery, KG1 or standard 1 for that matter. And let's say the teacher is teaching you something like this. All of us know the A, B, C, D. When you were a kid, the teacher asks you, Dipti, may I know what this is? And Dipti says, A, B, D. And the teacher says, wrong, sit down. Itna bhi nahi aata hai. And the other students laugh. So was it a positive experience or negative experience? Now, आप घर आ गए, दीप्ति घर आती है, लेट्स अज्यूम दीप्ति घर आती है अभी, एंड दीप्ति शेयर्स द सेम थिंग विद अ मॉम. मॉम पूछती है दीप्ति बेटा क्या क्या सीखा आज? दीप्ति बोलती है मामा ए बी डी सीखा. एंड मॉम सेज वेरी गुड, चल फ्रेश हो जाए अभी खाना खाते हैं. नाउ मामा विल नेवर स्कोल्ड यू फॉर द लव ऑफ यू. पापा आर समटाइम यू नो बिजी रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, दे में से क्या बोल रहा है बकवास, चल चल. बट मामा फॉर दैट मैटर विल ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट यू फॉर द लव ऑफ यू. Later she will take out time and make you understand A, B, C, D होता है, but that moment she will appreciate you. Positive, negative? Okay, you came back to school, the teacher asked you a question. You wanted to raise your hand, Dipti wanted to raise her hand. अब दीप्ति में हिम्मत नहीं थी. दीप्ति के बाजू में जो बैठे, आपका नाम? विशाखा. विशाखा फट से हाथ रेस करती है, आंसर देती है, and everybody claps. And दीप्ति is wondering, ओह फ्रिक, काश मैंने बोला होता, मेरे को भी पता था आंसर. तो हुआ है सबके साथ? पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस, नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दीप्ति? नेगेटिव, 100% नेगेटिव. ना इंटरवल होता है, रिसेस होती है, दीप्ति, विशाखा एंड 2 फ्रेंड्स और जोक शेयर कर रहे हैं. वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स शेयर्स अ जोक एंड एवरीबॉडी लाफ्स. नाउ दीप्ति गोज बैक होम, पूरे सोसाइटी के सारे बच्चे जमा करती है, सबको नीचे बुलाती है, उसके बाद में जोक शेयर करती है, नोबडी लाफ्स. यू नो कुछ लोग जोक ऐसे बोलते हैं कि द मोमेंट दे ओपन देयर माउथ एवरीबॉडी स्टार्ट्स लाफिंग, बट दीप्ति समहाउ डिडंट हैव दैट स्किल दैट दोस डेज. नोबडी लाफ्स. पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस और नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दीप्ति? नेगेटिव. Like this, in life, we have lot of experiences when it comes to public speaking. Now, this is an example which I have deliberately taken because it is related to public speaking. अब अगर मैंने दीप्ति को बोला सामने आ और अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे, ये कोर्स क्यों ज्वाइन किया बता, और अपने बारे में कुछ चीज़ें बोल, हॉबीज़ बता, स्ट्रेंथ बता, वीकनेसेस बता, फ्यूचर क्या प्लान है बता, 10 साल के बाद कितना पैसा कमाना चाहती है बता. Now Dipti, because of the negative experiences that she had in life, she may be a little reluctant. Getting me? Now this is public speaking. Now let's assume there are so many negative experiences. So if you can count how many negative, how many positive. Cross is negative, don't go with the color pen. Cross is negative, tick is positive. Negative कितने and positive? Now अगर ये सिचुएशन है, दीप्ति को मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन देने बोला या क्लास में कुछ पूछा या फैकल्टी से उसको कुछ पूछने की इच्छा है, उसको कोई डाउट है, दीप्ति will be a little reluctant. The reason is सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस आर 14, पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस आर 11. व्हेन इट कम्स टू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग और स्पीकिंग इन पब्लिक और शेयरिंग समथिंग इन अ ग्रुप, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप हो चाहे वो पब्लिकली हो, शी विल बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल शेयरिंग समथिंग इन अ क्लोज ग्रुप ऑफ क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, 1-to-1 a family member. But when it comes to a new group, new joinees like you, she may not be very comfortable. It's just an example when I've considered Dipti as an assumption. Now इसका सबसे बड़ा इफेक्ट कहाँ पे? इफ आई वांट दीप्ति टू बिकम पॉजिटिव, मुझे क्या करना है? I have to add on positive experiences, right? The moment 11 becomes 15, Dipti will become an extrovert. She'll take opportunities. The first thing she'll do is, ma'am, can I have a question please? I am a little confused. ये आपने एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डिजाइन में जो ये बताया कलर व्हील, ये कलर व्हील ऐसे की जगह ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस आर मोर. पॉजिटिव काम है तो जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन कितना भी हो, she'll be a little reluctant to ask or take initiative in coming forward and giving presentations to your batch. So मुझे इसमें क्या करना है? I have to add experiences. वो experiences कैसे ऐड होंगे? I call Dipti forward forcefully. Dipti may not be very happy, but I call Dipti, you ask her something and we make her open up. The moment she open up and we clap, no matter how the presentation goes, अच्छा गया बुरा गया. See, this is a platform. INFD is a wonderful platform for all of us to commit mistakes. I repeat, to commit mistakes. The only condition being every mistake should be a new mistake. That's very important. If you keep doing the same mistake again, you will not learn and grow. अगर मैंने दीप्ति को स्पीच देने बोला एंड शी इज अनेबल टू डू इट, दीप्ति घर जाके क्या करती है? एलिवेटर स्पीच बनाती है. आई हेल्प एस्पायरिंग डिजाइनर्स टू ब्रिंग आउट देयर क्रिएटिविटी एंड अचीव पीस ऑफ माइंड, financial freedom and career for life. 30-second elevator speech, she by heart it, she do mirror practice. Next day she is waiting for the opportunity. बुला तो सही मेरे को अभी. She had done the preparation, right? So mistake किया था, गलती किया था, बोल नहीं पाई थी, but she prepared, she came over it. And we gave her one more opportunity, one more opportunity, one more opportunity. Finally, 15 positive, 14 negative, she'll become an extrovert. From that day onward, we don't need to look at her. She'll take opportunities. Now, the same rule applies for language speaking. The same rule applies for learning fashion designing. The same rule applies for learning interior designing. And that's the first law. Quantity creates quality. There is no shortcut. I'll share a secret with you. And the secret is, if you want to become a highly paid expert designer, whatever the faculties ask you to do, overdo it. Faculties ask you to do one assignment, do it twice. Faculty has asked you to go and do one market survey, do it 5 times. There is no shortcut. People who say there is shortcut to success, those are illegal means. I will not recommend that. You want to become highly paid expert and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, career for life, this law applies. And this applies to learning any new skill. May it be when you first learn to ride your bicycle, when you first learn to drive your car, same rule. Positive experiences, negative experiences. Bicycle में कैसे? There were negative experiences. जब आप साइकिल चलाना सीख रहे थे, you actually fall down so many times, but then when you rose and you again tried and you could successfully reach some place in a short duration of time and you did it again and again, पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस इंक्रीज द नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस. आप गिरे कितने बार होंगे? 3, 4, 5, 10 बार. उसके बाद आपने चलाया कितने बार होगा गाड़ी? सेम व्हेन यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट लर्निंग योर कार, इनिशियली होगा 1 या 2 बार 3 बार. टेंशन सामने वाले को आएगा ना, आपको क्यों आना है, राइट? सोचने का नहीं, कार चलाने का, सीखने का. उसके बाद में पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस जब ज्यादा होंगे, यू वोंट इवन हैव टू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट गियर डाला, सेकंड डाला, थर्ड डाला. इनिशियली यू विल डू दैट. फर्स्ट गियर डालना है, सेकंड डालना है, थर्ड डालना है, रिवर्स डालना है, ऐसे चलाना है, डिस्टेंस देना है. But within few days and weeks, once the positive experiences increase and you're comfortable driving a short distance, then the short distance becomes bigger. You learn to drive a car comfortably without looking at the gears. Automatic होता है. फिर यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचना है, बस खत्म. कैसे पहुँच गया, कब पहुँच गया, पता ही नहीं. Similarly, when you want to learn English as a language, few of my friends would be a little weaker in English, but then that's not a weakness. That's perfectly all right. Language doesn't have any barriers in a creative career like fashion and interiors, but language is important. The reason, when you go for interviews and if the interview asks you a question in English, you cannot answer in Hindi as a rule. When you start your own business and a client comes and asks you something in English, you cannot answer in Hindi as a rule. So language is important ultimately to get a business rolling in and to get finances coming in. But this rule applies for language as well, and it is easy. I would like to share a short story with you. Now before I come to that story, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस, पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस. ना लाइफ में ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम लोग, जैसे अगर मैंने दीप्ति को आया गिव अ स्लैप, आई एम नॉट स्लैपिंग हर, आई गिव अ स्लैप. नाउ शी विल रिमेंबर दिस right now. She will go home, tell her mom. It's a negative experience. One negative experience I've given her. She goes home, tells her mom. She meets her friends, tells them. She go to sleep thinking about the same. How dare could Amit sir do this to me? How could he slap me? What is actually happening, friends? Are you realizing? World has given her one negative experience. I have given her one negative experience. She replicated. See, this is a very important concept here. Please try and understand this. World can give you one negative experiences. Somebody said something, somebody did something. Mom said this, mom said that, papa said this, papa said that. How could he do this? How could he do that? How did he ditch me? How did he do that? Whatever it is. One negative experience. Now it is up to us. How we keep that one experience. ठीक है, ये हो गया. अमित सर ने ऐसा किया. I will not let him take my peace of mind away. उसका प्रॉब्लम है. Next time I will see to it that he cannot do this. I am moving on from here. But I don't repeat that 1000 times and become negative. Getting me? Very important point. ये हमेशा होगा लाइफ में, ups and downs आएंगे. Undergoing this transformation session, I don't guarantee that you will never have problems in life because life is full of ups and downs. But I guarantee that if you understand this principle and implement it in your life will never be the same again. Challenges will come and go. You look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow. That's the whole idea. There's no bad experience according to me. All experiences, if they are not good or favorable, they teach you something. And if you learn through it, you grow stronger in terms of your psychology as well as mechanics. So Dipti के साथ example हुआ. The idea is if she can keep that one experience and move on, she'll be much more positive, energetic, and when an opportunity comes, she'll grab it. Vice versa, अगर कोई positive experience हुआ, I appreciate Dipti. She has done a fantabulous job. Wonderful, Dipti. So nice of you. What is the idea now? What is the catch? Go and repeat it. Positive things share with your friends, with your family, with everybody whomsoever you met. Scream at the top of your voice. What are you doing? You're adding positive experiences. The moment positive experiences are high or larger or more as compared to negative, confidence level will shoot like anything. Right, friends? So may I have a commitment from all of you that from this moment onwards, whatever happens in your life, emotionally, physically, we will take it as an opportunity to grow by taking charge of the life and thinking positively about it. कुछ बुरा भी हुआ ना, believe me friends, trust me as of now, I'll get into more detail in future sessions, but trust me as of now, there is an opportunity behind it. प्रॉब्लम उसी के लिए आते हैं जिसको फेस करने से भगवान सोचता है कि वो स्ट्रांग बनेगा. राइट फ्रेंड्स? इस जिंदगी में कब आना और कब जाना शायद हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, बट इस जिंदगी को कैसे जीना है ये हमारे हाथ में है. And we will not let this command be given away to anybody else. Right? So let's be positive from this moment onwards. Now आप घर पे जब तैयार होते हो मिरर के सामने, you must be doing lot of beauty thing. I would request you to also say I am good, I am good, I am good. Look in your eyes, in your mirror, and say I am good, I am good. Repeat it so many times. That will increase your confidence. I do that before my all training programs, and that boosts my confidence like anything. Just try it. It's a very simple technique. Don't look at somebody else and say that because they will call you fools, but do it in your bedroom, in your room, in front of your mirror, and don't mind about what others are thinking. This is a very simple practice, and this law applies. It's a scientific law, quantity creates quality. Right, friends? Okay. Now, I'll share the story with you. English language के ऊपर जो मैं आपसे बताना चाह रहा था. There is a student of mine, Zara, who has now passed out her degree course with us. When she took admission, and I was the one person who counseled her, she had got a translator. Now she's a Iranian student and she speaks Persian language. She didn't understand English, Marathi, Hindi, any of that language for that matter. When she came for inquiry and to enroll, and she got a translator, so I was speaking in English, that translator was converting it into Persian language, and she took admission on the condition that 80% of the course is practical, 20% is theoretical. I communicated this thing to the communicator. So even if she look at the other person what he or she is doing, she will be able to still pass out. That's the whole deal, and they agreed. Now 6 months down the line, this girl comes to me, Zara, gives me a letter, and I read that letter and I say, oh wow, what has she done? There is a communication course, English module in our BSc syllabus. She has actually taken out mistakes in the vocabulary and the sentences of English herself. Can you beat that? A girl who doesn't know how to speak English, how to listen to English, he doesn't understand English at all. She is taking out mistakes in the book. I was surprised. I actually probed more into it. Zara, how did you do this? Of course, she later told me that she has appointed a personal tutor who is to come at her place, and she has worked closely with that tutor, and she has been taught right from basics, the construction and the sentence and the logic. So anything that is not logical or perfect, she will get confused. So she wanted me to request to the university and get the syllabus changed. That's a different story. Getting anything changed in the university is almost next to impossible. It takes 6-7 years to get it approved by Senate. But then the idea is, I was really glad and happy that she could master English. Now, why am I sharing this with you? If Zara could do it, all of us, including you, including me, know English as a language. Fan is an English word. Chair is an English word. Table is an English word, right? We are aware about a lot of English vocabulary and words. Only problem is we have not practiced it. Is it difficult? Why do we think that English is a barrier in my communication and my confidence level? Why cannot I go and meet the client if I am not good at English? Come on man, take charge of your life. Quantity creates quality. Practice it. Join English learning courses, join academies, communicate with each other in English, read a magazine which you like, and there are so many technological ways because of the internet era. You can develop and groom yourself in language confidently and communicatively. You don't need to become a master in English, but you need to become fluent in communication. We are not expecting you to become Shakespeare. That's okay. But then at least be fluent in the standard phrases. How are you? Where are you going? What are your plans? Let's meet up, let's catch up and stuff like that. It's not difficult at all. But I have seen so many of my ex-students lack in confidence because of one language. Can we really afford to give language that very high respect and demand that they can decrease your confidence? No, take over it ना. फैशन डिजाइन और इंटीरियर डिजाइन सीख सकते हो, लैंग्वेज नहीं सीख सकते हो. सिंपल क्वेश्चन टू यू. सीख सकते हैं ना. It is not difficult at all. You just need to do the first law. Apply the first law. Quantity creates quality. If you practice it enough times, if you speak enough times, confidence will automatically come. And don't be ashamed कि बाजू वाला हंसेगा. It's okay. वो हंसेगा आज, वो कल आके आपकी साइन लेके जाएगा, ऑटोग्राफ लेके जाएगा. That's fine. You have to become an expert. You have to become famous. You have to achieve name, fame, money. When you achieve that level, the same person who has laughed at you will come and take an autograph. Be that person in your life. Be a celebrity, not a follower. We will help you in achieving all these things. Whatever your concerns, feel free to communicate, and we will be able to guide you even out of the course syllabus. Right, friends? So whether it is your emotional life, career, spiritual life, career, physical life, career, your knowledge level, your skill level, whatever it is, you have any requests, you need any support, feel free to communicate, and we will help you out with everything, because we want each one of you to become highly paid expert. So that's the first law. Can we move on? Second law is intensity creates instant transformation. Now what is this law? Let's assume we have a 50-year-old gentleman in our class, and let's say he is out and out negative, right from quite some years, 30 years. And now I want to apply this law, quantity creates quality, to a person who is negative from 30 years. Let's assume my mom, she's negative for that matter. And if my mom be positive, how many times, how many years do I need to say this? I never tried this rule with her, because I know this rule is not going to work there. Will it work? The second law applies. Intensity creates instant transformation. Now, what is this law? All of us have heard about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, right? Long back when he was traveling in a train in South Africa, he was doing his degree course, law degree, and one fine morning he was thrown out on the platform by the Britishers, of course. Now when he was thrown out, he started thinking, if this could happen to me, and it is happening with so many of my fellow Indians way back in India, how must they be feeling? And that was an intense moment when he got transformed, and today we know him as Mahatma Gandhi. I would like to take this opportunity to share a short story, a real life story of me, how I got into this education industry, and today I am sharing this as a director of a renowned fashion design institute. I am born and brought up in Nagpur, and I am not from a very blessed family wherein we had a lot of money and stuff like that. But yes, we were quite average, doing okay. My father is a pharmacist. He has a wholesale and retail medical shop in Nagpur. And I started 3 cyber cafes, chain of cyber cafes with around 150 PCs in Nagpur itself. Now, way back in 2004, I wanted to learn a technology known as VPN, Virtual Private Networking. How many of you are from the computer background? Okay. Now, what is VPN? For the others, I would like to explain. VPN is a technology when sitting on one server, I can format and reinstall every other PC. So I don't need to travel to 3 different locations to get my machines upkeep. I can do it on my one PC. By sitting on one PC, I can format. Now, fortunately, unfortunately, there were no good institutes in Nagpur those days, way back 8 years back. JetKing भी अभी चालू हुआ 2 साल पहले. So I decided to come to Pune and study this technology and go back and implement it. I came to Pune, did a lot of research, went to DSK, went to JetKing on JM Road, and JetKing में जाके वहाँ के सेंटर मैनेजर ने मेरी काउंसलिंग किया. I told him about my background. I'm the proprietor of so-and-so cafe from Nagpur. I've come to Pune to learn this, and I would like to have a demo batch. I said, if I'm confident about your center and everything, I'll pay the fees. That's not a problem at all. He said, I'm very confident about my faculties and my infrastructure, and I don't mind giving you a demo batch. You can attend a batch. We are starting with a new batch tomorrow. You can join the same. I was glad. I was happy. I went back, and next day I came for the batch. There are 20 of us students, 20 students of us, and the faculty who came to teach us, unfortunately or fortunately, it was her first day as well. And she started telling us the difference between hardware and software. Now, there were few of my fellow students who said, ma'am, can you please teach in Marathi? And ma'am started speaking in Marathi. There were few other students who said, ma'am, can you please teach in Hindi? She also started speaking in Hindi. So the poor female could cover the basic portion plus a little more in 2 hours. I waited patiently. सारे बच्चों को जाने दिया. I met the faculty when she was alone, and I told her about my background, why I've come here. I want to learn this technology in the shortest possible time frame so that I can go back. The moment I'm in Pune, in your institute, I'm losing out on an opportunity cost, and I would like my customers to have a personal touch with me. I always believe in that I should meet my customers and have a rapport with them. It was also with Cyber Cafe. So I requested her, and she said, Amit, that's a good idea. I also added, ma'am, every other student was understanding every language. I don't know how to speak Marathi, but I can understand Marathi. So it's fine, whatever language you are comfortable, you can teach in any one language. I think we all should be okay. And the faculty says, yeah, thanks a lot for the suggestion, Amit. I'll talk to the center manager and get back to you. I said, that's perfect. I went back, I put up at my friend's place in Viman Nagar. Now next day evening again, I traveled, and I remember it was raining cats and dogs, and I've come on my bike with my helmet, and it was like, the roads were also not well done, the airport road. Now it is quite okay. Somehow I managed to reach in time. The moment I entered JetKing office at JM Road, the office peon comes to me and says, sir has called you. Center manager has called me. I thought he must be asking for the fees, and anyways I'm carrying the cash, I'll give it to him. So I went into his cabin. The first thing he says to me is, Amit, your admission is terminated. And I was like shocked. Tears started rolling down my eyes. For the first time in my life, I cried professionally in front of somebody. Couldn't control my emotions those days. Somehow I managed to control it. Fortunately, since it was raining and raindrops were already there, he couldn't see that I was crying. Somehow I gathered my courage and said, sir, may I know the reason why you are terminating my admission? And he says, Amit, that's a management decision. I'm really sorry I cannot share the same with you, but it's a management decision. Being a good gentleman, he gave me a short hug. I also hugged him and left. I took my bike out, went to Joshi Varewala. वहाँ पे एक जोशी वरेवाला का stall है. I went there, parked my bike, and that was an intense moment when I thought, if this could happen to me, who is a deserving student, who is ready to pay cash, it can happen to so many other students. And that was an intense moment when I got transformed. The very next day, I was in JetKing corporate office, Mumbai, applying for a franchisee for Nagpur, not Pune. But that was an intense moment. When I met the franchisee manager in Mumbai JetKing office, and he gave me a long questionnaire saying you need to do a demographic survey, psychographic survey, you need to create a business plan, you need to tell us how much of the funds you're going to invest from your own, how much is it going to be from the bank and other institutions, and you need to attach photographs of the premise you're going to planning to rent and stuff like that. So with all these things, and then he said you need to appear for a psychometric test, it's an aptitude test. If you clear these 2 things, you need to have a personal interview with the directors. I said, psychometric tests and interviews are perfectly okay, but for this filling up of the questionnaire, I need minimum 7 to 10 working days. It was a detailed form. He said, we are quite okay, you take your time, whenever you are ready, give us a call and we'll fix up an appointment. I said, perfect. Went back to Nagpur, started hunting for premise because one of the point there was location and the photos. I came to know about my uncle, मेरे चाचा थे जिनका वर्धमान नगर करके एक एरिया है. Anybody from Nagpur? Or you have been to Nagpur sometime? No. Great. So वर्धमान नगर इटवारी करके एक एरिया है, वहाँ पे मेरे एक चाचा इज अ ग्रेन मर्चेंट, अनाज के एजेंट है वो, एंड ही हैज अ होल बिल्डिंग जिसमें सेकंड फ्लोर उन्होंने बोस्टन कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट को रेंट पे दिया था. So I came to know that Boston has recently shut down their institute and whole furniture interiors is already there and they went into losses. So I said, let me meet my uncle. Me, my uncle were sitting and talking about the rent and the deposit and how sooner can I acquire that place. There was one more gentleman sitting there, Mr. Dilip Agrawal, who is an industrialist. After listening to my discussion with my uncle, he interrupted saying, Amit, why do you want to start something like a computer institute, Jet King? I said, I think there's a good future and a good career. I would like to get into it. I didn't tell him about my background and the Jet King story. So he said, Amit, that's okay, but then why don't you try something like INFD? Those days it was NIFD. I said, what is it? He said, I am a director for INFD in Aurangabad. I am also the director for Concus in Nagpur. So Concus करके एक local computer institute है नागपुर में जो अभी भी चल रहा है. Mr. Dilip Agrawal along with one partner is the owner. And Dilip Agrawal ji also was the owner of NIFD Fashion Design Institute in Aurangabad. I said, ठीक है, let me do a research and I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot for the information. He said, yeah, take your time, that's okay with me. So वो DCN को मैंने वहाँ पे होल्ड पे रखा है. Came back to my cyber cafe, did a lot of research and came to know that INFD का जो corporate office है वो चंडीगढ़ है. So immediately I sent them an email saying I want a franchisee for Nagpur. I am from Nagpur. I was looking out for Nagpur. That's the whole idea. Now moving on. फ्रेंचाइजी से वहाँ से मुझे कॉर्पोरेट से मेल आ गया कि नागपुर का जो मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी है वो नागपुर में है. मिस्टर सर्वेश अग्रवाल, आप उनको मिल लो एंड यू अप्लाई विद देम. मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी मीन महाराष्ट्र के लिए फ्रेंचाइजी चाहिए तो उनको मिलो. इट्स अ स्टेट वाइज फ्रेंचाइजी दैट दे हैव सिस्टम. So because of the Jet King experience, I knew that these people appreciate a project report. So instead of meeting Mr. Sarvesh Agarwal directly with a plan, what I did, I started making a project report, a business plan of NIFD. And I did I compiled a 45-page beautiful report. I added SWOT analysis, I added a lot of details, including my contribution and stuff like that. With this report, I took an appointment with Mr. Sarvesh and I met him. I remember me, Mr. Sarvesh, and he has also called his franchisee manager, and we three were sitting together. He went through the report 2 hours. Completely page by page. After 2 hours of detailed understanding of the project report, he said, Amit, looking at the project report, I understand that you will be able to do justice with the students. You have done a lot of homework before applying for the franchisee. काफ़ी लोग आए मेरे पास जो पैसा लेके आते थे हमको फ्रेंचाइजी दे दो, but they didn't have the will and the determination to do justice to students. So I have not said yes to them. नहीं भी नहीं बोला but yes भी नहीं बोला है. Looking at your profile, the project report and the way you have presented, I would like to give a franchisee to you. Tell me where do you want a franchisee for? I said, sir, certainly Nagpur. The first thing he says is, no, Nagpur में मेरे 3 centers है. I don't want to create a competition. I was like, okay, कहाँ पे दोगे? He said, Bilaspur. I said, with due respect to Bilaspur, I don't want to degrade myself. My mom is from Bilaspur, but I don't want to travel from Nagpur to Bilaspur. Any other option open? He said, Pune try करेगा? I said, wonderful, why not? Pune just जाके आया था मैं. It was a good city. Oxford of the East, lot of students come to Pune, and I decided on Pune. So cutting the long story short, that Jet King experience was an intense moment wherein my life got transformed, and I am today sharing this fundamental principle with you as a director. I was angry. Not that I was not angry, I was not in emotionally negative state, but I could channelize my anger into performance. महात्मा गांधी के अलावा काफ़ी लोग हैं जो ट्रेन से फेंके गए इंडिया में, इंडिया के बाहर. Not everybody could have that as an intense moment. So my question to all of you is, हम सबके लाइफ में काफ़ी मोमेंट्स आए जहाँ पे चैलेंजेस आए, डाउन साइड आया है, बट could we channelize our anger for performance and take it as an intense moment to take a decision and transform? रिलेशनशिप में मैंने देखा है with lot of teenagers and youngsters, we are stuck in a relationship and somehow we are not happy about it. अब रिलेशनशिप का सबसे बड़ा प्रिंसिपल क्या पता है? If there is a bad relationship going on, first you try to change yourself. Now, in spite of changing yourself, if the relationship doesn't work, the only way out is get out. Don't try to change the other person. He will not change. Change yourself. If things get perfect, is good. If not, move on with respect and dignity. I have seen people come to me for counseling saying कि it took me 2 years to get out of a relationship. No, it took you a moment to get out of a relationship. It took you 2 years to come to that moment. See, there's a difference. You took 2 years to think about that relationship, whether you want to get out of it or not, but it just took you a moment. That was an intense moment when you decided I'm out of it, and you took charge of your life. I would like to share an example of one of my students. April 2000 and last year, April 2012, I was taking an induction in the other class for interior design students, and there was one girl sitting quietly listening to all my talks, and when I shared this relationship principle with her, she waited for the whole session to get over and went and met my counselor. That those days we had Pushma as a counselor with us, along with Katie and Sheetal. So Pushma later comes to me saying कि अमित sir आपने ऐसा क्या बोला? This girl has decided to give a divorce to her husband. Now, believe me friends, I am not anti-relationship. I am not against relationship at all. And I was also shocked. मैं बोला इसने ऐसा क्या सीखा? And then I probed a little more into it and Pushma told me कि actually उसका जो husband है वो उससे divorce मांग रहा था काफ़ी सालों से. She was so emotionally attached to this guy that she couldn't give him a divorce. Now after listening to your session, the same session, she has decided she will take charge of her life. She will become a designer, she will achieve name, fame and money, and she will not make that one incident negative, which is her husband, get into her nerves and head again and again. She was out of that relationship the very next day. She gave divorce and today she is happily settled as a designer. And that is my Guru Dakshina. If this session can even help one of you, it's worth my time. It's worth my time. That's the whole idea. So this is an intense moment. I'm sure हर एक के लाइफ में intense moment आए हैं, आते रहेंगे. Channelize your anger not into negativity कि उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया मैं उसका ऐसा करूँगा. Take charge. Normally होता क्या जब भी upside या down आता है कुछ we do 3 things. 1, we blame ourselves. मेरे कारण ऐसा हुआ, मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. 2, we blame the other person. इसने मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों किया, इसने ऐसे क्यों बोला. And 3, we blame the event. शनि है, ऐसा हो गया, मैं क्या करूँ. You know, forget blaming, take charge and move on. ये हो गया. I have slapped Dipti. She cannot do anything. Move on. Next time से अमित ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. I will take charge of my life. How dare you do this? It's okay, but this is only one negative experience. गुस्सा आएगा. The idea is how sooner can you come out of that negative emotional state. 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 life. Up to us. For me, it takes generally 3 hours. I go for a movie, entertainment, I come back and I'm normal, trying to reduce my time. For you, how much time is it? How sooner can you come out of a negative state and become positive again and focus on your life and your career? That's the whole idea. Now, the third thing is anchor. Now, what is an anchor? Ship को बांध के रखते, right? Similarly, in life, all of us should have some anchor. For me, an anchor is whatever happens, happens for something good. For me, that's an anchor. What is the anchor in your life? It can be anything. Say for example, moving on to my real life story, सर्वेश अग्रवाल से मिला, उन्होंने भी मेरे को ऑफर दिया पूना आपको करना है करो. The next thing he said is, I'll give you 7 days time. Within 7 days, you need to pay the franchisee fee X amount if you want a franchisee for Pune. There are big shots, including petrol pump owner, builders, who have already offered and applied for a franchisee. I have not said yes to them because I didn't think they will do justice to the students. They were here to only earn money. Justice is not important for them. Looking at you and reading your profile, I understand that you will do justice. I will give you a first preference, but I give you 7 days. I was like, thank you so much. 7 days is more than enough. Immediately I took the Azadin Express, came to Pune the very next day, started hunting for location, went to a lot of locations. Port Road पे गया, कैम्प में गया, और यहाँ पे भी गया विमान नगर के आगे. Saw a lot of locations. Finally came to Sagar Arcade. Sagar Arcade में ये जगह फाइनल किया. And 7th day morning वापस से ट्रेन लेके I was in नागपुर स्टेशन. 10 o'clock पहुंचा था नागपुर, वहाँ से घर गया. I was climbing. I stay at first floor and I was climbing the stairs of my house. There was a bag on my left shoulder. The bag slipped and my shoulder got dislocated. There's a ball and socket joint here. So this has come out. That was the accident, slippage of the bag. Now this happened on the 7th day, friends. I yelled, I screamed. My elder brother came. He took me home. He called an orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Kale. Fortunately, since my father is a pharmacist, we have good contact with the orthopedics and a lot of doctors. He came home. He put an immediate action on this. He gave me a pouch arm sling. He gave me antibiotics and a lot of tablets. and he said 7 days bed rest and keep this poucham sling for 45 days. Now the very next thing my mom says is, this is a God signal, ये भगवान की तरफ से इशारा है, तू NIFD मत ले. And that was the only thing she was insisting. ये जो तेरे साथ हुआ है ये भगवान का सिग्नल है. You know these people who are into lot of negative things and they will take every incident and they will connect it. मैं अपनी जिद में था, मुझे तो करना है. I have decided. फाइनली मेरे बड़े भैया ने मॉम को समझाया, ये अमित मानेगा नहीं, इसको जो करना एक बार करके रहता है, करने के बाद इसको समझ में आता है. लेट हिम डू वंस, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, थोड़ा नुकसान होगा और क्या होगा. तो माय एल्डर ब्रदर कन्विंस सर. वी डिडंट हैव द मनी, एज आई सेड, पैसा था, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ मैं, बट इट वॉज ऑल इन्वेस्टेड इन बिजनेस. जो फार्मेसी में मेडिसिन आती है, साइबर कैफे में जो पीसीज है, वो सब में इन्वेस्ट हो चुका था. आई रिमेंबर आई हैड 27 रुपीज इन माई सेविंग अकाउंट दैट डे, 7th day. How much? 27. And this thing has happened. And above all, my mom is saying, don't do INFD. I insisted, I requested my brother, he really helped me out. He borrowed money on Hundi. Private loan मिलता है ब्याज पे. He took money on Hundi, he made a demand draft and he sent the demand draft to Mr. Sarvesh Agrawal and he got a letter of intent that Pune is blocked for me. But things apart, what I want to share with you is, I believe whatever happens, happens for something good. I didn't know ये क्यों हुआ है. That time I was not aware ये अच्छा हुआ बुरा हुआ. But I thought I will take charge of my life. I have to start a educational institute and help aspiring designers to achieve name, fame and money. And that is my passion. I will start it. ये क्यों हुआ मेरे को नहीं मालूम आज. This I understood later कि ये क्यों हुआ था. So फ्रेंचाइजी मिल गई, LOI आ गया. 45 days डॉक्टर ने बोला कहीं जाना नहीं है, ट्रैवल तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. ये वापस आ गया बाहर तो ऐसा ठीक है. साइबर कैफे का चस्का था, गूगल पे रिसर्च करने की आदत थी. आई वॉज अ इंटरनेट कीड़ा टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. वेंट टू माई साइबर कैफे विद दिस थिंग. कैश काउंटर पे बैठता था, कस्टमर आते थे, कैश देते थे पर आवर का मेंबरशिप का. आई हैव टू कलेक्ट दैट विद वन हैंड और राइट हैंड से मैं अपना रिसर्च करता था. नाउ व्हाइल रिसर्चिंग ऑन द नेट आई एक्चुअली डाउनलोडेड 447 एक्सपोर्ट हाउसेज का कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल वेइन आई कैन प्लेस माई फैशन डिजाइन स्टूडेंट्स. फ्री टाइम था, 45 days, करूँ क्या. I started researching. I downloaded lot of media articles of Tribune. Tribune is a popular newspaper in Chandigarh. जैसा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया मेजरली चलता है, वहाँ ट्रिब्यून चलता है. चंडीगढ़ इज अवर कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस. आई डाउनलोडेड लॉट ऑफ आर्टिकल्स, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स जो उन्होंने एक्टिविटीज किए थे, इवेंट्स किए थे, फैशन शो किए थे चंडीगढ़ में. उनके प्रेस रिलीजेस मैंने डाउनलोड करके स्पाइरल बाइंड बुक बनाई है. थर्ड थिंग आई डिड इज आई क्रिएटेड अ सर्वे ऑफ पुणे के सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स सिटिंग ऑन इंटरनेट पीसी. पुणे आया नहीं था मैं, अगेन आई डिडंट डू एनी रिसर्च कि यहाँ कितने इंस्टीट्यूट है, जगन्नाथ राठी है कि क्या क्या है. बट इंटरनेट पे बैठ के, एक कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के मेरे को पुणे का पूरा मार्केट पता था, कौन कहाँ पे है, उनके वेबसाइट से उनके कोर्सेज क्या है, उनकी फीस क्या है, उनके यूएसपी क्या है, यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई वाज अवेयर सिटिंग ऑन वन पीसी. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, दिस 45 days आई यूटिलाइज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च. आप बताओ, क्वेश्चन टू, ये नहीं हुआ होता तो मैं नागपुर में बैठता. वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आई वुड हैव बीन इन पुणे एंड लॉन्च माय इंस्टीट्यूट without preparation. I was so excited, I was so enthusiastic. But ये हो गया. Now you recollect, whatever happens, happens for something good. और शायद हो सकता था इससे बुरा हो सकता था. पॉजिटिव सोचू तो इतना ही हुआ है, जान तो नहीं गई. I am blessed to have 2 hands, 2 legs, a logical mind which can think. All of us are blessed to have 2 hands, 2 legs, a logical mind which can analyze. So what are we craving for? छोटे छोटे issues, छोटे छोटे चीजें, इसने बोल दिया, उसने बोल दिया. आवर लाइफ इज टू कॉस्टली टू वर्क एंड वरी अबाउट स्मॉल थिंग्स इन लाइफ. मूव ऑन, टेक चार्ज, नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू. और ये हैंड 3 बार डिसलोकेट हो चुका है, उसके बावजूद, आई मीन जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज, आई एम स्टिल डूइंग इट परफेक्टली फाइन. आई प्ले, आई डू एक्सरसाइजेस, एवरीथिंग. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस. डॉक्टर हैज आस्क्ड मी टू डू अ सर्जरी, आई हैव नॉट डन इट. आई विल डू इट व्हेन टाइम कम्स, probably the 4th time when it happens. But as of now, this is an anchor of my life. What is an anchor of your life? Stick to it no matter how bad the condition of the economy goes. Have faith in yourself, in your God, in the nature around. Nothing bad is ever going to happen to you. Whatever is happening is going to teach you something. Right, friends? So with this, I wrap up today's session. I would like to request you to take out a piece of paper. If you don't have a piece of paper and pen, I'll give it to you. I want you to share your name, your email ID so that I can be in touch with you. I'm also going to share my contact detail. You can have a note. You can reach me here. Now listen to me for the last 5 minutes and then I'll leave the stage. What we have learned today is we need to take charge of our life. Quantity creates quality. If you really want to become a highly paid expert designer, which I am believing all of us have invested our time and money for that, work over the first principle. Nothing is impossible because the world itself says I am possible. Take charge of your life. Intensity creates instant transformation. Don't blame situation. Don't blame the other person. Don't blame yourself for that matter. Repeat positive things. Have positive experiences more in life. Encourage each other. There would be lot of opportunities. क्लास में जब आपको सामने बुलाया जाएगा, आपसे शेयरिंग करने दिया जाएगा, आपको मार्केट सर्वे बोला जाएगा, encourage each other. इसलिए कहते हैं एज अ लवर, एज अ टीचर एंड एज अ फ्रेंड, एनी वन ऑफ दिस, लवर, टीचर एंड फ्रेंड, यू कैन नॉट सेक्रीफाइस ऑन योर फ्रेंड. द आइडिया इज यू डोंट नो विच एक्सपीरियंस विल ऐड. जैसे अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 11 के बाद में 2 ट्राई किए होते दीप्ति के ऊपर और छोड़ दिया होता, यार इसको समझती नहीं, कितने बार बोलूँ इसको असाइनमेंट कर, करती नहीं है. सी एज अ टीचर आई कैन नॉट ड्रॉप इट, आई हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली फोर्स, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा एक्सपीरियंस पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस करेगा एंड हर लाइफ विल बी ट्रांसफॉर्म. सो व्हेन योर टीचर इज पुशिंग यू फॉर असाइनमेंट्स, होमवर्क, do it. Don't take it negatively कि why is she after my life. They are also following this law, right? कभी ऐसा होगा कि क्लास में एक फैकल्टी 10 मिनट लेट आया, कभी आप 10 मिनट लेट आए. नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रखने का, पॉजिटिव रखने का, मूव ऑन. इमरजेंसीज आती है, वी डू अप्रिशिएट एंड वी डू अकोमोडेट दैट. या बट देन ट्राई एंड रीच इन टाइम बिफोर द क्लास स्टार्ट्स so that you can gain maximum knowledge out of it. Done? So all of us can promise me to be in charge of your life, think positively, have positive talks to yourself. Great. And next Tuesday, coming Tuesday, we are going to have a session on financial freedom. It would be a video based session followed by FAQs and question and answer. But need not worry, video रहेगा, मेरा ही video रहेगा, but DVD quality है. You won't feel the difference. आपको ऐसा लगेगा मैं यहाँ पे live training session दे रहा हूँ. It is going to be a fantastic seminar and a session on how to have financial freedom, how to earn money. बहुत बढ़िया सेशन है. 80% साइकोलॉजी और 20% मैकेनिक जो मैंने आपसे अभी बात की उसी के ऊपर है. अटेंड दैट ट्यूसडे सेम टाइमिंग. फिनेंशियल फ्रीडम के ऊपर एक सेशन है, 1.5 आवर का रहेगा मैक्सिमम. आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी पर्सनली प्रेजेंट फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन. एनी डाउट्स यू विल गेट क्लियर्ड.